Today I'm sharing with you pumpkin chickpea curry. Very healthy and it's low spice, very simple one. So take pumpkin, peel off the skin. If you want, you can keep the skin, but usually my mother used to peel off the skin for this specific recipe, and then cut it into cubes. Pumpkin is very healthy vegetable, easy to cook. So I have some oil, add some mustard seeds, and the only spice level we are getting it from green chilies. So add green chilies accordingly, add curry leaves if you have. So these green chilies are very spicy, so I've taken about 2. Add pumpkin to it and then saute and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on a low medium heat. Now we are going to add chickpeas. Add some hot water and then salt and let it cook for another 5 to 6 minutes or until pumpkin is cooked. Pumpkin doesn't take much time to cook. We don't want it to be mushy. We want the cubes because it gets mushy very quickly. So now let me check. Oops. Yeah, it is cooked. So now I'm taking some coconut, add a little bit of water and make a paste and add to this. Adjust the consistency the way you want. Add some jaggery, which is optional, and top it off with cilantro. If you want a little eat with rice, then adjust the consistency accordingly. I like it with rice, but with roti also it tastes good. Do try it.